I am Girish Wadhwani, the founder of WaterBee. You can follow me on hashtag #PowerWaterGenerator. Today we will talk about groundwater basics. So what is groundwater? Groundwater is the water found underground in the cracks and spaces in soil, sand and rocks. It is stored in and moves slowly through the geologic formations in the soil, sand and rocks, which is also called as aquifers. What is the source of groundwater? So rainfall that percolates through the ground, that is one of the sources. The other sources is the rivers that disappear beneath the earth, and also the snow that melts. Understand why groundwater needs our urgent attention. We need to understand some of the statistics. Let's talk about Earth's water resources. So 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, and out of that 97% of that water is salt water. The rest of 3% is fresh water. Of the 3%, 2/3 of it is found in the frozen form in glaciers and the polar ice caps. The rest of the unfrozen water is found mainly in groundwater, which is about 30% of the fresh water resource. That means only 1% or less than that is available in the form of surface water or it's in the air. That makes groundwater the largest accessible source of fresh water across the world. Half of the world's population is dependent on groundwater for fresh drinking water. More than 40% of the agriculture across the world is dependent on groundwater. So groundwater is therefore critical for the global food security. It is also one of the most challenging things in the water management sector. In India, we are highly dependent on groundwater. Talk about drinking water, irrigation, domestic use, industries, agriculture, poultry, dairy, everywhere we are using groundwater. So 90% of the rural water supply is said to be coming from groundwater. Across India, in all of the sectors, be it domestic, agriculture or industries, there is groundwater management problem. So today we need scientific and data driven approach to solve the groundwater crisis, and that's the reason WaterBee, with a team of hydrologists and geologists with an overall experience of 56 years, is an expert in the field of groundwater management. We not just improve the groundwater table, we increase the quantity of water we receive through the bore wells, and we also work on the quality of groundwater that we receive, which is make hard water into soft water through our natural technology, which by the way is like a zero wastage technology. So if you too are concerned of the future of our children when it comes to water, then do join us. We would like you to subscribe us on our various social media platforms, or you can call us on 744 749 888 6. Thank you.